Alright guys, in today's video I'm scripting your funny ideas again. It is now part 12, okay? I don't think this series will ever end, to be honest with you guys. Okay, you guys love these videos. So anyways, I'm going to be scripting your funny ideas. Here we go. Alright, so for the first idea we got, whenever you say I'm not scared of anything, you get a jump scare, okay? Alright, so as you can see, you're with your dummy friend right here, right? You're having a normal day, and so you're like, honestly bro, I'm not scared of anything. And let's just say watch what happens, okay? Oh my god, dude. I literally knew it was gonna happen, but it still scared me. What the heck, bro? Well, that's the jump scare. Now, I'm sorry if that scared you, but that's what happens when you say I'm not scared of anything, alright? So, alright, anyways, okay, I like literally leaned back whenever that hopped on the screen too, that was funny. But alright, next challenge. Alright, so for the next one we got, whenever you say this obby is impossible, a noob completes the obby easily. Alright, we'll do that right now. Alright, so as you can see, I'm with my little friend right here again. But you see an obby right here, right? And you're like, man, this obby looks kind of hard, you know what I'm saying? It kind of looks impossible. So, you know, you tell your imaginary friend that, alright? And as you can see, your little robot friend, he starts running, okay? How is he so fast? But as you can see, he's doing the obby. Okay, yo, chill, bro. Wait for me. He has some sort of infinite jumping power too, so I guess it makes it a little bit easy for him. But I just fell off. Okay, so I didn't mean to make it so he, you know, kind of jumps infinitely up over here, but, you know, I guess that's what happens whenever you try to code an NPC doing an obby. Alright, next challenge. Alright, so for the next one we got, whenever you say, I want fried chicken, a real chicken attacks you, okay? Alright, I'm gonna take that right now. Alright, so as you can see, you know, you're having a long day, alright? You worked or something, alright? And you're hungry, okay? And you're craving some fried chicken, alright? So you just type in the chat. You're like, man, like, I want some fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? Like, fried chicken would sound really good right now, alright? And, just watch what happens, okay? So as you can see, there's a chicken running at me in the distance there. And he says, what did you say, ... Yo, wait, chill. I don't know, man. I'm sorry. He said, do you want my family to die? It's literally a chicken. Okay? He said, I'm sorry, bro. It's not that serious. Like, you know. Okay, and then he just killed me. But, yeah, that's why you don't want fried chicken, guys, alright? It's kind of rude, alright? I would have to kill his family to do that. Yeah, hashtag don't eat fried chicken. Every time you walk towards your house, it moves away from you, so it's impossible to get to your house. That sounds kind of funny, honestly. I'm gonna make that real quick. Alright, so as you can see, you know, you're having a nice day again, and you're with your friend. You're like, alright, bro, I gotta go back to my house, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll see you later, alright? And, you just walk to your house and watch what happens, okay? So, as you can see, why is it moving? Okay, hold on, I had to move that, but as you can see, you keep walking toward it and it moves away. Alright, and then you're like, okay, I'm not sure why it's doing that. Alright, you know, you go to walk from the side, maybe that'll work, okay? So you go over here and you're like, and then it moves to the side. Why the heck is your house moving away from you, bro? Okay, then you like, maybe I can stick it to the back. Come on, maybe the back. And no, okay, it literally, it's like you're pushing the house away from you. But yeah, that's what happens when you try to walk to your house. But there's literally no way you can actually get to your house. It's impossible. But anyways, that's that challenge. That's pretty funny, honestly. Good idea. All right, next challenge. All right, so for the next one we got, idea. Whenever you say, I just won the lottery, you get mugged. Alright, I like that idea. Let's go ahead and make it real quick. Alright, so as you can see, you're at the gas station, okay? And you just bought a lottery ticket, which, by the way, probably shouldn't do, okay? But you bought a lottery ticket and you scratched it off and you won, alright? You just won the lottery, right? It's like $1 million or something. So you have in the chat, you're like, man, I won the lottery. Woohoo! You know what I mean? You're so hyped. You know what I mean? You're happy. You're rich now. And then you see a car coming up, okay? What is that car? As you can see, the car pulls up. There's a robber inside. And then he gets out, comes right up to you, points his gun at you and says, he said, you did what? He said, yeah, I'm going to need all of that. He's pointing a gun at me. Okay, so as you can see, you don't really know what to do. You can't move or anything. But the script kind of broke there, but it is what it is. But yeah, so that's pretty funny. That's what happens when you win the lottery. All right, you don't tell everyone you won the lottery, okay? Alright, so for the next one we got, every time you take a bite out of an apple, the doctor backs up. Alright, so you know like this thing where it's like an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Basically, it's that, right? So the doctor like literally backs up. So that's gonna be pretty funny. I'll make that. Alright, so as you can see, I have my apple right here, okay? And, you know, there's my doctor. Alright, looking pretty doctor-like. And then I take a bite of my apple and watch what happens. Look, he backed up. All right, watch. Doctor, why are you backing away from me? And every time I take a bite, he literally just backs up. And I'm pretty sure, actually, that I can just kind of push him off the earth. Hold on, I want to see what happens. But I keep eating my apple, and goodbye, doctor. This is your last day. You just died. Okay, well, that's that. Alright, next. Alright, so for the next challenge we got, whenever you say aliens aren't real, idiots, you get abducted by a UFO. Alright, we'll make that right now. Alright, so as you can see, you're with your two best friends, your imaginary friend and your doctor, okay, outside the house you can't go to, and your imaginary friend starts telling you that aliens are real, but they obviously aren't. Like, come on, dude. So you tell him to his face, you're like, bro, aliens aren't real, idiots. And I'm gonna go ahead and back up so I don't actually abduct them, okay? But as you can see, you type it in the chat, and okay, I'm now getting abducted. I'm slowly floating up. So that's what happens. So don't type that in the chat, or else a UFO will come abduct you. Okay, alright, I gotta go before I die. But anyways, that's that. Alright, now for the next one we got, in one of your videos, you made it to the map shrinks every second. This time, make it to the map grows every second. Honestly, that sounds kind of cool. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. I don't know if you guys remember that, but in one of my videos, I actually made a map shrinking every second. It was actually in part 10. And it was honestly pretty cool, because the map actually ended up to be super, super tiny. So the opposite of that also would be pretty cool, I think. Alright, so I gotta work it, I'm pretty sure. Now, it's gonna get pretty bad pretty fast, so just a fair warning. But as you can see, you're in your city, alright, having a nice day, alright, and my scripts are all breaking because I just had to move it. But, oh my gosh, okay, it's getting bigger already. As you can see, I'm literally looking like a tiny speck on this road. Yo, look at that! Dude, just a second ago, it was not like that. Look at the size of these houses. Okay, I know I didn't have much time to show you the actual map, but look just how big everything's getting. And now it's obviously kind of laggy because scaling models is pretty difficult. And, oh! Okay, well, I just died. But as you can see, the map is literally huge. Hold on, I'm going to see if I can try to load out. It's so laggy. Okay, the entire game is just breaking, alright? I don't know if you guys can see this, but I can literally not load anything. But that's what happens trying to make your map super big. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, yeah, I got a little bit too far, a little too distorted, but okay, that was that. Honestly, interesting challenge, bro. That's actually pretty cool. I wish I could look at it for longer, but it kind of broke, and that would be very difficult to fix and do all that manually, so yeah. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it like always. Guys, also, if you aren't subscribed right now, what are you doing? Like, subscribe, okay? 80% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed to my channel, which is insane. I mean, literally subscribe, okay? You can always unsubscribe later if you don't want to be subscribed. Subscribe right now, alright? And also, guys, leave a like on the video if you did enjoy it. That's how I know I should make more. And also, guys, be sure to use code TAP whenever you buy Robux, okay? It helps me out a lot, actually. So I appreciate all you that do that. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.